Hello friend, now we learn the pattern command. So to understand the pattern command, please draw the one part. So open a file, new part, OK. Extrude, placement, define, front plane, sketch. Then OK. Another one small part, sketch. OK. Now we provide a pattern of this part on this surface. So we can select the part. Now if we select this part, this pattern command is highlight. So select the pattern. These are the different thing. These are the dimension, direction, axis, fill, table, curve, point. In this different way we can apply the pattern. First we see the dimension. Okay. Now select the any one dimension. Okay. Okay. Now this define the point. How many number of point pattern is required? 4. Okay. Now if we do not want to apply this 2 point, okay, so select and OK. Direction, in which direction we select the any one plane, in which this direction. Okay. How many number? There is a 5 number. Apply this distance. Okay, so select the 15. Now in this direction we can also apply this part. So select this plane and apply the number. Okay, and you can also modify this dimension. Okay, then press OK. Now you can easily see this pattern of this part. Okay. Now another one is a fill. In a fill we can define the one sketch in which total part can fill. So select the plane, sketch, okay. Now you can see this total sketch our draw. This can be filled. So we can also modify this dimension. Okay. Okay. This define the set the rotation of the grid about the origin. You can also rotate this origin. Okay, press OK. Now you can see this pattern. Now one another example of a, now select the part, open the pattern curve, in which reference, define, sketch plane, sketch. We can draw the one sketch. Okay, now you can see this part. You can also modify this dimension. Okay, now press OK. You can see this different way we can apply the part of the pattern. So now we remove this, we draw the one another example. Okay, we draw the one another small part. Okay, now this whole we can apply this total surface. So first hold this, select the hole, apply the pattern. Now select the axis on which we can apply this pattern. So select the axis. Now you can see this. You can apply this 4 point. If you want to apply more than 4, you can edit or modify. Okay, this define the degree automatic, but we can set this 360 degree, so we can automatic set this 7 point on a 360 degree. Okay, press OK, then you can see this easily. Thank you.